Welcome to Top 5 Report. The BiC Flex 5 razor is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly shaving tools available on the market today, designed to provide a remarkably close and comfortable shave for a wide range of users, regardless of their skin type or hair coarseness. Its innovative design and advanced features aim to elevate your grooming routine, making it an essential addition for anyone seeking a superior shaving experience without the irritation often associated with traditional razors. This review will delve into what makes the Flex 5 razor stand out and why it might just be the last razor you'll ever need to buy. Number 5. BiC Flex 5 Men's 5-Blade Disposable Razor. Discover the BiC Flex 5, designed for men seeking a superior shaving experience. Its advanced features ensure a close and comfortable shave every time. Featuring 5 flexible blades, it effortlessly glides over your skin. This design minimizes irritation and provides an exceptionally smooth finish. Specifically engineered for the modern man, this razor offers precision and ease of use. Achieve a professional-looking shave from the comfort of your home. Enjoy a shave that feels as good as it looks. The ergonomic design and lubricating strip work together for unparalleled comfort and a clean result. Stock up and save with this convenient 8-count pack. You'll always have a fresh razor ready when you need it, ensuring you're always prepared. Make the switch to a better shave with the BiC Flex 5. It's the smart choice for a consistently smooth and comfortable grooming routine. What we like. This option offers a close and comfortable shave with its 5 flexible blades and a pivoting head. It also features a lubricating strip for added glide. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable disposable razor for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say. The Flex 5 razor has a pivoting head that follows the contours of your face for a close shave. It features 5 ultra-thin blades that provide a smooth and comfortable shaving experience. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, even when wet, for better control during shaving. Number 4. BiC Flex 5 Blades, 2CT. Experience a superior shave with the new BiC Flex 5 Blades. Designed for ultimate comfort and closeness, it's the perfect addition to your grooming routine. It features 5 flexible blades that effortlessly glide over your skin. This ensures a smooth and irritation-free shave every time. The pivoting head adapts to the contours of your face, providing enhanced comfort and control. Achieve a precise shave with ease. A lubricating strip enriches the shaving experience, reducing friction and leaving your skin feeling soft. Enjoy a comfortable glide with every stroke. This pack conveniently includes 2 cartridges, ensuring you're always ready for a great shave. Keep your grooming essentials stocked. Upgrade your shave with BiC Flex 5 Blades. It delivers exceptional performance for a clean and comfortable finish. What we like. With 5 blades, this provides a smooth shave. The convenient pack size makes it easy to stock up. If you need a straightforward and effective shaving solution without any extra frills, consider this. What people say. The Flex 5 razor has a pivoting head that follows the contours of your face, providing a close and comfortable shave. The 5 ultra-thin blades are sharp and durable, cutting through hair with ease. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, even when wet, allowing for precise control during shaving. Number 3. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our expertly crafted kit. It's designed to give you a close, comfortable shave every time. Crafted with precision engineering from Germany, this kit ensures exceptional quality. You'll feel the difference in every stroke. This all-in-one solution includes everything you need for a perfect shave. From the durable handle to the refreshing gel, it's all here. Take your grooming routine on the go with ease. It's TSA approved, making it the perfect companion for all your travels. Infused with charcoal, it helps to purify and refresh your skin. Enjoy a clean and revitalized feeling after each use. Never run out of sharp blades again. This kit comes with 5 refills, ensuring a smooth shave for weeks to come. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a superior shave, featuring German-engineered blades and a foaming shave gel. It's perfect for those who want a premium shaving experience and appreciate having all their essentials in one place. If you're looking for a gift or a complete upgrade to your grooming routine, this is the one. What people say. The Flex 5 razor has a pivoting head that follows the contours of your face, providing a close and comfortable shave. The 5 ultra-thin blades are sharp and durable, giving a smooth shave without irritation. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, even when wet, allowing for precise control during shaving. Number 2. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our original kit. It's designed for a close and comfortable shave every time. Crafted with precision engineering from Germany, this razor offers unparalleled performance. You'll feel the difference in every stroke. This all-in-one kit includes a durable razor handle and 3 blade refills. Everything you need for a consistently great shave is right here. Our specially designed blades are infused with charcoal for a clean and refreshing feel. Enjoy a smoother, irritation-free shave. Specifically created for men's grooming needs, this kit delivers exceptional results. Upgrade your daily routine with this essential tool. Choose Harry's for a shave that's both effective and enjoyable. It's the smart choice for the modern man. What we like. This set provides a quality handle paired with 3 German-engineered blade refills. It's designed for a precise and comfortable shave. If you prefer a reusable handle and want high-quality blades without the full kit, this offers excellent value and performance. What people say. The Flex 5 razor has a pivoting head that follows the contours of the face, providing a close shave without irritation. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver around tricky areas. The 5 sharp blades deliver an exceptionally smooth shave, reducing the need for multiple passes. Number 1. Harry's Disposable Razors for Men. Introducing Harry's Disposable Razors for Men. Designed for ultimate convenience, these razors offer a smooth shave whenever you need it. Each razor features 3 sharp blades for a close and comfortable shave. Experience precision grooming on the go. Perfect for travel and busy lifestyles, this 10-count pack ensures you're always prepared. Keep one in your gym bag or travel kit. Enjoy a consistently smooth and comfortable shaving experience. They are designed to minimize irritation for a clean finish. Never compromise on your grooming routine. These disposable razors are your reliable solution for quick touch-ups and full shaves, anywhere. What we like. These disposable razors are designed for convenience, especially for travel. The 3-blade system ensures a good shave on the go. If you prioritize portability and need a reliable razor for trips or quick touch-ups, this pack of 10 is an ideal solution. What people say. The Flex 5 razor has a pivoting head that follows the contours of your face for a close shave. The 5 blades provide a smooth and comfortable shaving experience, reducing irritation. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, even when wet, for better control during shaving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.